too.
I hear you right there's the funnel right there.
Yep. I'm actually recording it.
Yeah, if I knew how.
Looks like it might sideswipe us.
It may turn though.
Yep. Look how still the rest of the clouds are.
I know it. Be ready for this door to slam me shut. Look at that funnel.
Wow. There's two of them. Look at that.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, there's three.
And another one coming behind it. Look at that one. That one's on the ground.
Yeah. Yeah, now the siren turns off. Well,
It's on the ground. What? Not yet. It's right over in that field. Right over across from the store.
keeps going over there, we'll be all right. There's the lights.
You got it. It's got emergency lights. That right there's gonna come, man. That's 1, 2, 3.
And possibly a fourth one behind it.
That may be 3 or 4 right there, though. See that other one hanging down over yonder? Baby, y'all come here and look at this. Yeah, it's coming around the side. Come here. Come here. Look. See it?
Oh my gosh.
It's all right. It's all right. See, it's hitting that house right over yonder right now.
Look at all the crap in the air, man.
Look, there's 2 of them spun out of that one. See them? Yeah, watch the guy.
I'll send you the video. Do I? Does it lock you out if it does?
So we're going to. Like I said, 2 of them come out of it again.
Yep.
Or tell your mama and them to. Okay. That's picking up shit and Cullman right there.
Look up, there's another one wanting to come down.
Coming down right there?
Uh-huh.
1973, I stood outside my granddad's house and watched at least 25 go over one day. It was the day we had like 600 and something.
Wow, it just hit something over there.
Yeah. Did you see it?
It turned real black.
It's on there. It's tearing up Cullman right now. Yep, it's getting Cullman right now.
Cullman.
Cullman right now.
Oh my God, it's going to be a disaster.
It's spreading out too, see it?
It just got wide.
Got big now.
It's picking up. Look at the other one coming out. See the tail of it over there?
Yeah. Just trying to make sure you're behind us.
Yeah, I keep looking. It is huge now. Several miles off. Check behind us, ain't it?
It's got big now. Talking to your mama? Cullman got hit hard.
Yep. Hope the hotel we're staying in stayed standing.
Where you at? 278, 157.
310, exit 310.
Yeah, 157, it didn't get there.
Good.
What's that?
He said our hotel should be all right. Cullman's probably a disaster, but our hotel's okay.
That's going out by